Hey guys, welcome back to RamboTravels. Courtney and Isaac here, chilling down at Demetris down here at Edmonds.
Yes.
We're getting ready to do a brunch, lunch, snack, whatever you want to call it. We're just getting a little bit of everything.
Yes.
I already shot some pictures of the menu, and we'll take you along for the eat. So sit back and enjoy.
All right.
Right, so we're gonna get calamari tenders. We're going to get bacon wrapped dates, and we are going to get
Crispy
Brussels sprouts.
We're still on a mission to finding the best Brussels sprouts so far. The best ones we've had were at Venice Beach at the restaurant Salt. Those were by far my personal favorite.
You've seen the clip in the last video we did for Rare Society where I showed off those Brussels.
Yes.
I let people know those are the best damn Brussels I'd ever had.
Exactly. And so Isaac and I actually have eaten here before. We came here after we ended up getting married. We celebrated by having a little bit to eat, and we did get the Brussels sprouts before, but I can't recall how good they were, so we're gonna give it another go.
Yes, we are. We're gonna do the calamari tenders, the bacon wrapped dates, the crispy Brussels sprouts, and also gonna try the firecracker shrimp.
No drinks for us today, guys.
No. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some shots of the restaurant in here too. It's pretty packed, so it's kind of hard to walk around and film a bunch of stuff with everybody looking at us, but we'll get it done.
All sorts of different signature cocktails that you can get here. So martinis. Oh, that's cute. Sorry, I'm latte. I'm like late. That's cute.
A few moments later.
So food just came in, guys. Brussels sprouts, firecracker shrimp, which looks so good, bacon wrapped dates, and calamari. Yum, yum, yum. Calamari itself, I'm not too much of a fan of when it's in like the strip form. It makes it a lot more chewy. I think when it's actually like in its natural, like kind of, I don't even know.
She likes the crunch.
Yeah.
It's a texture thing.
Yeah, it's a texture thing. And so not to say that it doesn't taste good. The aioli is amazing. But I think what I'm finding with the calamari itself is I like more calamari that's crunchier, and so the stick form is a little bit chewy.
I think you get more of the sensation that you're actually eating squid.
You know, that shrimp is so good. All right, babe. All in all, what would we rate this food all together? I know individually where we stand. I would personally say an 8.5 out of 10.
I'm always I'm always thinking not just how good the food was, but how much should I pay for the food, and if the price matches the quality. And this is more kind of upscale dining, so I would say these are pretty fair prices for apps. They ranged from $15 to $20, and it's going to be enough food for both of us. So I think
Oh yeah, for sure.
$30 afternoon dinner with a view or lunch with a view
Yeah.
per person, I think is fair.
Fair.
And so for the quality of food, I would say, yeah, I would agree with Courtney and say it's about 8, because you're not just paying for the food, which
You're
is
paying
great,
for
but
the
you're
experience.
the experience and getting out of the house and having the view that we have. Like I said, it'll show you guys the view from across the street here. It looks beautiful. So
Yeah. I would agree with that.
yeah,
Okay. So what you're saying is we agree?
I don't know how. I don't know how.
This is rare. So, I tend to rate things higher than I do. I'm like 10. It's like Oprah. You get a car. You get a 10.
You get a 10.
Right. Clearly, I'm not made for being a food critic. Very good though. I'm saving the rest of the dates for home.
I knew she was gonna say that. I knew she was gonna say. I was just waiting for it.
So, fun fact, you guys, I fast usually all day until the afternoon. So Isaac
this is always a treat on the weekends when I break my fast and eat really good food, and I'm not mad about it at all. But Isaac always considers me like a little pack rat, because usually most of the time if he does order food, I'll just like save it for later so that I can enjoy it, but like it's never usually right then and there. So this is like a treat for me, being able to enjoy the food real time. So good.
This was a last minute decision, but it was a good call, I think.
Oh yeah,
I'm glad we got it.
I think so too. And as the weather clears up more, Isaac and I will be back down in Edmonds. It's just such a fun little town. I work pretty close to here as well, so it's, you know, it's just a good little area to be in.
It's Courtney's stomping grounds.
Oh yeah, I love it down here. Lots of little shops and coffee places and bakeries and all the good stuff.
The water's really good too.
Oh yeah, and that's another thing. Like, Isaac and I didn't realize how much of water snobs we are until we go to other states or other places and we're like we have the best water here. We really do.
Well, there's a lot of natural wells and stuff around here too that we have. I mean, we have one like less than a mile away from our house that you can just drive into.
Yeah.
It's always packed, people filling up their bottles. Arizona's I don't think too bad.
No.
But
Vegas though.
Vegas is horrible.
And Montana.
Montana as well. Vegas, Montana, horrible water. I don't know. I think it's one of those things too. If you've been drinking it for years, you just don't notice a difference. And
Right.
you know, if you would have asked me about that growing up, I would have laughed at you and said, "What? Like, there's a difference in water or what?" But when you start traveling around, I think you really start noticing. Just go with the bottled water, and you usually can't go wrong.
Right.
The staff's very attentive here too. They're not like pushy, but they're very attentive.
I would agree with that.
If you made it this far in the video, make sure you drop a hashtag RamboTravels. As always, we appreciate you guys.
Okay, so we wrapped food up. Here's the remaining. In a box. Here's the remaining of the food. And as you guys can see, we went across the street from where Demetris is. It's right across the railroad tracks, and then we have the water just right in front of us. So it's centrally located in a great location. Again, summertime's probably a more fun, realistic time to come down here and be able to enjoy all the surroundings.
It's a bit chilly right next to the water, but it is the sun being out helps out a lot. There you guys go.
All right, you guys. Again, Isaac and I always appreciate you joining us for our fun vlogs and just our day-to-day outings, whether it's a vacation or just grabbing a bite to eat and some drinks. We appreciate you all, and we can't wait for you to join us for the next adventure.
See you in the next one, you guys.
All right.
Later.
Bye.